Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Structural Funda. Myself KheNi, and today we are going to learn about calculation of moment of resistance for given doubly reinforced beam of overall size as 300 mm by 450 mm and effective cover is given as 50 mm on both sides. It means on tension side as well as the compression side, and the reinforcement data is given as 6 numbers of 20 mm dia bar as a tensile reinforcement and 4 numbers of 20 mm dia bar as a compression reinforcement. Also, we have given the grade of concrete as M25 and grade of steel as Fe415. So let us go for the solution. Now, from given data, we have given the effective cover as 50 mm and effective depth as 400 mm. So D dash by D ratio is 50 by 400, which is equal to 0.125, which is less than 0.2. It means that we can use FCC as 0.446 into FCK, which is equal to 0.446 into FCK as 25. Hence our FCC value is 11.15 Newton per mm square. And according to the Indian standard Codal Provision, we can neglect the FCC calculation in terms of calculation of AST. And for FCS, our D dash by D ratio is 0.125. Hence, for D dash by D equal to 0.10, FSC value is 353 Newton per mm square. For D dash by D as 0.15, our FSC value is 342 Newton per mm square. Hence, for 0.125, we are going for the interpolation, and 0.125 is exactly the midpoint of 0.10 and 0.15. It means that we can calculate the FSC value by average of these both. So our FCC compressive stress in concrete reinforcement is 11.15 Newton per mm square, and compressive stress for steel reinforcement is 347.5 Newton per mm square, which can be used in the calculation of moment of resistance. Now we can calculate the compressive force C1 as 0.36 FCK B into XU, as well as C2 value is FSC minus FCC into ASC, while capital T tension force is 0.87 Fy AST. We can calculate the value of neutral axis from equation C1 plus C2 as a compressive force, which is equal to T as a tensile force. So let us go for the calculation of XU. Now for neutral axis location, we have equation C1 plus C2, which is equal to capital T, where C1 is equal to 0.36 FCK B into XU plus C2 is equal to FSC minus FCC into ASC, and T is equal to 0.87 Fy into ASC. Now solving this equation, we have neutral axis depth XU as 95.76 mm. Now for FE415 from page number 70, IS 456-2000, XU max by D value is 0.48, hence the XU max is 192 mm. In this case, XU is less than XU max, hence our section is under reinforced section. And for this calculation, we have to take XU as 95.76 mm for the calculation of moment of resistance. Let us calculate the moment of resistance. Mu is equal to C1 into Z1 plus C2 into Z2, where Z1 and Z2 is lever arm distance. Where D minus 0.42 XU is the value of Z1 and D minus D dash is the value of Z2. Let us put the all values. Now calculating these terms, we have moment of resistance as 240.88 into 10 raised to 6 in terms of Newton into mm. So in terms of kilonewton meter, it is 240.88 kilonewton meter. So we can calculate the moment of resistance by given data. Thank you.